Hey, what's up? I'm Eric Porter, Diamondback team rider, and I'm really excited to show you the completely redesigned Diamondback Mission. So this bike is a full carbon frame built around the level link platform with 160 millimeters of rear travel and 180 front. This bike absolutely rips. The 27.5 wheels with the 160, 180 keep it so it's really nimble and handles well and is really playful. It's the kind of bike that kind of opens up terrain that you may have been scared of before. This is still a bike that's light and efficient. I've been doing, huge climb days with 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 feet of climbing in a day. Climb's awesome. Man, the first downhills on this bike were amazing. It was kind of a monster truckable version to where I could just smash over things and blast off of rough side hits and things like that. This is the bike that you can just haul ass. I mean, you can just smash down the trail behind your friend riding it blind the first time and do that safely and not have to worry about random things that you didn't see on the trail or whatever. Thanks for checking out this video. This is the new Mission, and head over to diamondback.com for more info.